on YouTube? I am back with another video. I'm back at the track. I'm back with my dog Jay Glizzy in the Hellcat. If you don't know, this is his stock wide-body Hellcat in purple and gold. You see the Cts-V. We're about to run the 8th mile, man. Cts-V versus Hellcat. Stay tuned. Let's go. Like I said, we have a 6.2 supercharged Cts-V and a 6.2 supercharged Hellcat wide body. Purple in this wrap is crazy. Oh, we both got the cameras. I'm gonna hook mine up here in a minute. But this color in the sun is wild. Insane. We better get a quick run in. We are on street tires, both of us. So ain't nobody hooking and booking for real. And we're gonna see what happens. Go around the water. Go around the water.